Guys, with a simple haircut like this, I don't want to take much of your time. I'm starting with the clipper with the lever all the way close. I'm creating my first guideline here, taking out everything underneath as I go along to create a nice panel. Behind the ear, make sure the lines are symmetric. Now with the clipper pushed to the full lever, I'm creating my second guideline. I'm carefully pushing about half an inch into the panel, making sure this second panel is as even as possible. With the lever halfway closed, I'm transitioning between the skin line and the top layer of fade. Here at the back, I'm using the lever halfway and then fully close to create a smooth transition. Now I'm going in with a one guard with the lever all the way closed, just like the previous guideline. I'm creating another half-inch guideline. Make sure that this guideline is parallel to the one below. With no guard and the lever all the way up, I'm connecting the second layer to the third layer of fade. With a 1.5 guard and the lever all the way closed, I'm going against the grain to check if there are any cowlick. As you can see, my client is in charge of how high or low the hair goes. Now with the one guard and the lever all the way open, I'm going with the grain, following the direction of the hair growth. Here, I'm asking my client if the length of the top is what he wants. As you can see, I'm connecting the side fade to the top layers. I will be doing some lever play, going back and forth with the lever to tie the whole process together. Now I'm going in with my trimmer to get the skin closer to the scalp. With my electric shaver, I'm just adding more detail to the fade. Here I'm applying shampoo and washing my client hair. I'm drying the hair with a towel. I have added some lock and twist product. and also an oil spray for a shiny effect. Now I'm brushing the hair to prepare for the lineup. I'm starting off at the left side of the ear. I make sure my trimmer is locked into my lineup secret. In the middle, I use my left hand to keep my client hair steady, preventing it from moving left or right to maintain consistency. Guys, if you have any other types of haircut you do like to see, write them in the comment section below. Then I repeat the same process on the right side of the ear before hitting my first vertical bar. This cut is a high skin fade. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for checking this out, and I will see you in the next video.